So I've been doing some decorating this week, quite a bit of decorating, a couple of bedrooms. I was using this Decorators pole, which has a little clip on it that extends and fixes into these grooves here. It's quite good for doing, you know, being able to roller something quite close up, and then obviously being able to roller something quite a long way away. And then all of a sudden this clip broke, so I'm going to try and repair this. I basically found it like that, with one screw still in, the other one fallen out, and I presume, I didn't sort of ever look, but there's some kind of spring should be in here. So I don't know why the screws came loose. I haven't had it that long, but I haven't got a receipt, I can't take it back. I've got tons of sort of like screws, drawers of bits and pieces that most of the time I think, why do I keep all this? But it actually comes in useful for this sort of thing. So in one of these I found a screw that will actually go into this little clip. So if I just take this one out, the thread is actually in the metal bit. It's not like the thread's in there. So I found a screw that fitted, and then I thought, well, why has it come loose? So I then found some little washers. They're not exactly the same, but washers that split washers that might stop it coming loose. They're gonna go on there, so the washer needs to be about the same size as the head. You don't want it bigger, otherwise it won't do anything. Same for there. And then I didn't have many springs, but I found this spring. See, there's a little nub there that keeps the spring in. This is probably a bit strong, but so I'm going to try and get that there, and that basically keeps that lever sort of connected in here. So let's put that over there. I'm gonna have to push that down quite hard to get those screws in there, but you can start by getting them into the metal bit. It's just, I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to buy another one of these, because they're not going to have it. I haven't got a receipt anymore. I was in the shop as well, just saying how pleased I was with the stuff I bought. So those screws hopefully aren't going to come loose. They're nice and tight. And the spring, there you go. The spring is a bit stronger. I was finding that I was decorating and that's accidentally knocking it, and then the pole would just slip down. So that's actually quite a strong spring. It's not going to come out because of that little bit of plastic in there, and it locks in nicely. So for the sake of 5 minutes searching through some bits, that's another thing repaired.